Hello guys! For today's video is about Korean looks na talaga namang babagay sa mga chinita or malakorean ang peg. Curly bob with blunt bangs. Unleash your inner K-pop star with a curly bob with blunt bangs. Straight blunt bomb. This classic is also a popular Korean short hair choice. Third is bob with see-through bangs. This type of fringe goes well with any Korean short hairstyles. Wavy bomb. Jump on both on the hair clips and Korean hair trends with these hairstyles. Next is wavy chin length bomb. The charm of the wavy bomb is just too hard to miss. The curls give more body to classic bob. A wavy lob. A lob, the longer version of the bob. C-curl medium length hair with the curtain bangs. When your bob has grown from chin length to medium length, you can give the tips a more pronounced inverted C shape by using a medium-sized round brush. Next is layered chin length bob. A chin length bob that has a bit of an air-dried curl at the ends is another common characteristic of Korean short hair. Next is shag haircut. You can also show your individuality with a blonde shag, a super hot look that hits two trends at once. Next one is vibrant bob. Feeling brave, take the plunge and color your hair with two or more colors. The result is a fun and edgy look that will make you stand out. Next is purple wavy bob. A lots of K-idol sport purple hair, so why not wear this color on your Korean short hair? Complement it with tousled and wave and bangs for added calm.